Hey my lovelies, welcome or welcome back. If this is your first time here, hey girl, how you doing? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you go. So in today's video, I wanted to make it about like organizing and storing items in small spaces around your home. So I've been noticing a few of you commenting that you don't have like a lot of countertop space or a lot of storage space around your home. Even though I do have like a really good amount of countertop space, I really don't have that much storage around my home. So in today's video, I'm just going to take you around my home and just show you how I made the best out of my small spaces. And hopefully, you can get some inspiration and make the best out of your small space as well. So without further ado, let's get this video rolling. Let's start this video off with this beautiful brick red set from Caraway. This bold and beautiful color is back in stock and will complement your kitchen with a beautiful pop of color. So Caraway cookware is not only a beautiful set, but it will have you on your way to healthier cooking in your kitchen. This cookware set is 100% non-toxic ceramic coated, which is a safer alternative to your traditional non-stick, non-toxic cookware. Organizing is also easy with this set. It comes with magnetic pot holders and a lid organizer for organizing your cookware. This will come in handy so you'll have some space for your other items in your kitchen. So y'all, I will have a link below in the description box for anyone who is interested in getting this brick red Caraway cookware set. They also come in different colors, but this brick red set is back in stock, so jump on it while you can. So I feel like to truly make the best out of any space, you have to declutter. If need be, just going through a space and just making sure everything is like neatly placed and not expired, and you're using everything that's in your pantries. Now, also, I feel like not overstocking with items that you know that you're not just going to use at all. I understand this may not be the case in larger families. I understand that you may have to buy in bulk, but if you don't have to, try not to overload, if that makes any sense. I also like to use bins. Using bins frees up some space. In most cases, you can kind of neatly place everything in your bin, and that should kind of make room for other things. I like to use the acrylic ones because I like to see like what I have inside of the bins, and that just makes it easier for me to make sure that I'm using everything that's inside of the cabinets. Also, if you're limited on space, try not to have an excess amount of dishes that you are never going to use, especially if it's just a two-family household. Now, I'm not saying only have like 2 plates, 2 cups, 2 forks, 2 knives, 2 bowls, but I am saying, sis, you probably don't need 20. I also think using like stands and like the cup holders will also help make room for other dishes. My linen closet is not as spacious as I would like it to be, but to make the best out of it, I always use bins. I like to have some up top. I have like my overload of throws and beach towels, and in one I have my extra sheets, which I really need to purge. I always kind of like to have like 2 sets of sheets per bed. That way one is always on the bed, so I don't have really that much in the linen closet. And I'll have like 3 towels per person in the house, and of course 1 towel is always being used. This gray towel was the waffle knit towel that I tried from the Caraway brand at Target, and it was okay. Yeah, it was just okay. But I found these waffle knit towels from IKEA, and they were really nice, very affordable as well, for $12.99, and I just love them. They're oversized, just the best. Guys, if you were at IKEA, pick those towels up. I also like to keep my overload of soaps down here as well, so I'll kind of have those stacked on the side. And then I'll have like another bin of like my extra soaps, toothpaste, like Febreze sprays, my poopery spray. I need to get more wipes, but I like to have those stocked in there as well, so that way kind of everything is kind of hidden away and it looks neater, so I can kind of like throw everything in there, just kind of like the overflow. Also have like extra storage space for my toilet paper. I do have extra toilet paper and paper towels in like each bathroom, but just kind of have the extras. I will keep them in there. And at the bottom I'll have another basket. Like, I'm kind of loving baskets here, but I have another basket full of like other knickknacks and things like that that needs a home, but we really don't need, but we will need, if you know what I mean, like my irons, my steamer, and then I have like some other stuff that's in there as well. Decided to make like an extra bedroom out of like an office slash like dressing room, but I really didn't have a lot of space to do under that. I felt like the room is just like really small, so I had the dresser outside of the closet and I felt like it was just taking up a lot of space, so I decided to place the dresser inside of the closet and kind of organize all of my clothes and shoes and everything inside of the closet. And what I did was just make sure everything was neatly placed. I feel like that is like the key to maximizing like any small space. Just making sure everything is neatly organized. It doesn't necessarily have to be like color coded or anything like that. Just make sure everything is neatly organized. So for my sweatpants, y'all know I love my sweatpants. I kind of like fold those double. And for my jeans, I kind of like have them folded up so I can kind of see everything that I have in my closet, but also have space and everything's not drooping down towards the dresser area. And on top of the dresser, I have like my perfumes, my jewelry. I am like in the midst of like replacing all of my jewelry and just like getting new jewelry. But these are what I kind of like wear on a daily basis. I definitely want to upgrade that. And then I have like a basket full of like my flip-flops and slides and everything, just neatly placed. Or I don't know if they're neatly placed, but they are placed inside of the basket just to kind of have everything a home, and I know where all of my flats and everything is inside of this basket. On top of the closet, I have all of my other shoes, my heels, my tennis shoes inside of this shoe organizer. This definitely saves a lot of space. One, I was able to place like 2 pair of shoes inside of one, so that definitely saves a lot of space as well. But it definitely helps with not having like all of those bulky shoe boxes laying around, which definitely takes up a lot of space. So I placed like all of my tennis shoes inside of there, and then I have like overflow of shoes and then some other shoes on the side that didn't fit, so I just neatly placed them just on the side of the closet. Alright, my lovelies, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you were able to find like some inspiration to organize any small spaces in your home as you may see fit. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me some comments on if you have small spaces in your home and how you like to organize them for yourself. If you aren't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join my Extremely Modest YouTube family. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.